So I'm just starting my 1900-foot ascent up Kinsman Mountain. I haven't really been videoing much, but I'm doing a section hike in the White Mountains this weekend. Actually, we were supposed to do like 50 miles, which sounded super easy since we both did a few hundred miles of the AT. But it turns out the Whites are actually as hard as everybody says they are. So we've only made it like 5 miles a day. So today we're going to do 7 up and over these two 4,000 footers, and hopefully get a work for stay at one of the huts and then finish up tomorrow. So it's a little late in the afternoon, but I'm expecting it to take like 5 hours to get to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we'll see. We didn't go up yesterday because it was raining, so hopefully when we get up there, there'll be a view. So this is what the trail looks like. I doubt you can see it because I can't. All I see is a shit ton of rocks. And I think it's like this all the way up the mountain. So they're wet. It rained last night. It should be nice and slippery. We'll see how this goes. So I can confidently say that in March when I started the trail, if somebody told me to take my pack and rock climb up the side of a mountain, I would have told you were crazy. Because I could hardly even bend over with my pack on without falling. But that's basically what this has been all the way up. It was going to continue to be. And I think it's pretty cool that I can have a bag on my back and weighing me down, I could still use my arms to pull myself up the side of a mountain. So there's that. Three hours later, and this is still what I'm looking at. But I'm like 0.2 or 0.3 from the top now. So, thank goodness. I'm super hot and out of water. Meh, technicalities, but man, I just can't wait to get to the top of this. I finally made it to the summit of South Kinsman Mountain, and it's hot as hell, but the view is awesome. And yeah, hanging out, waiting for Snorkel to get here. So I guess I'll keep waiting. So we tried to do a work for stay at one of the huts, and it was full. So I left my hiking partner about 1.5 miles back. Her foot was hurting her and she was looking for a place to stay, and we just weren't coming across much. She needed a break. And so now I'm trying to find a stealth spot for myself. Hopefully soon here, because the sun goes down in a half hour. And hopefully I'll find somewhere I can set up my tent and hang out and wait for her to catch me tomorrow. Only got a couple more miles until we're out of the notch that we're in, and that'll bring us somewhere we can hitchhike back to the cars. So I saw a southbounder, and he told me coming up here there was a decent place to camp. I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know what he calls a decent place to camp. It's totally possible I missed it, which would mean I just end up hiking to the road tonight. Online it says there's a couple places to sleep just off the trail, so we'll see how it goes. But hopefully Snorkel does catch me tomorrow and I'm not eaten by a bear. I'm just kidding. There aren't as many bears here, it seems, as there are down south. It doesn't seem to be much of a concern. I will still hang my bag, but aside from that, all the hard stuff's done, and I'm just trying to find somewhere to lay down for the next 16 hours, since realistically I'm not going to sleep. But I'll let you know. So, it's too dark in here, you can't see me at all, but it's 9 o'clock, camp set up, Snorkel actually caught up with me, and we've had dinner, and we're heading to sleep. There's only a 2-mile walk tomorrow, so hopefully I can get some sleep and sleep in since it's finally not cold tonight.